Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, here are the new upcoming iPhone 16 Pro series new prices and the top 6 expected camera features that will change your smartphone photography. Apple will be officially unveiling the new iPhone 16 series tomorrow at its Glow Time event. Excitement has been growing among the iPhone fans as along with the devices. But the iPhone has been synonymous with mobile photography thanks to its innovation in the camera department. On September 9th, when the new iPhone 16 Pro series will be launched, we can expect a major upgrade in the camera department. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Here are some of the expected camera features of the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max smartphones. Number 1. Ultra-wide camera. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are expected to feature 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, comparatively a bigger upgrade, with the iPhone 15 Pro series, which had 12-megapixel sensor. This will result in better low-lighting images. Number 2. Video. According to a 9to5 Mac report, iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max will be able to record 4K videos at 120 FPS. The iPhone 15 Pro series is limited to 4K at 60 FPS. Apple is also upgrading QuickTake from 1080p to 4K. Number 3. Optical zoom. Apple is planning to bring tetraprism camera to the iPhone 16 Pro, which was only limited to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max will support 5x optical zoom. Number 4. Sensor. Rumors suggest that Apple may use an upgraded Sony sensor for the iPhone 16 Pro series main camera. Number 5. Dedicated camera button. Apple will be bringing a dedicated camera button to capture photos to all the iPhone 16 series. It is speculated that the button will be on the right side of the iPhone. Number 6. Anti-reflective. In order to reduce lens flare, Apple is testing a new atomic layer deposition lens coating for the iPhone 16 Pro series. Furthermore, the iPhone 16 is on the horizon, and among consumers who are getting ready to make the purchase plunge, they have one question: what's the iPhone 16 price? The good news is that, according to a forecast report from TrendForce, the iPhone 16 entry-level model is expected to have the same starting price of $790. Same for the iPhone 16 Plus, it's expected to match the iPhone 15 Plus. However, when it comes to the upper-tier models, there may be a different story. According to TrendForce, here are the prices for the iPhone 16 models, as you can see in the video.